Okay, so let me just actually add one. We could add, let me see what else there is. Let's just say you wanted to add, there's a gallery, there's say an image or video slider. You could even add a contact form. So let's just do that. And this, making a change to this page will affect every single short-term property. So just be aware of that. Click save. As soon as you click update, then what I will do is I will update or refresh my Great King Street Residence page or any of the other property pages, and it should come up right under here. Yeah, which is not ideal. But anyway, that is how you, so if I go to any of the other properties pages, this is how it's going to look from, or any of the old ones that we did that have the correct template applied to it. Okay, so there it is. It's appearing on other pages as well. So what I'll do is I'll remove that. Click update. Okay, so now I've just refreshed the page and it's back to normal, which is great. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it for your properties pages, and I think we've given you a tutorial on how to add the Tokeet bookings, which I can see you've actually figured out how to do that, which is great. Yeah, I was just making sure that the template was the correct one. So maybe I'll just quickly go through one of the other new ones that you've created. Let me go to our properties. And let me go to another new one that you've created, so Grass Market. I'll click Edit. And once again, the only thing I need to do is show title, no, and then change the property page template to short term. So if I click Update, and then I'll view the post. Now it's showing exactly how the other pages are showing, which is how we want it to show, and everything's working correctly. So you might also like to ask, where is this coming from? So let's just have a look and find out where this is coming from, just in case you wish to change it. It looks like it's copying from here. Yeah. So maybe instead of having that on the properties page template, we could have just the excerpt, if that's possible. Let's just refresh this. Okay. So now, in order to get that back to what it's supposed to be, which is more about you rather than the property, is you have to make sure that you're selecting in the agent settings, make sure the main agent is Barry and the user ID or the user is admin, which is Barry, and we don't want a secondary agent. Okay, so yeah, that's it for page properties. There's also your long-term rental properties. So if we go to one of those, let's try editing the following one, detached family home. and it looks like you've done this one correctly, which is great. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll just click edit. And then make sure again that no title is showing and that we've got the correct page template selected, which is the long-term properties. And you can just select the second one from that list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll move on to the next part of these tutorials. Thanks a lot.